Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Google account and opening Drive. This gives you the secure workspace. Once done, pick the file or folder you want to share. Decide why you're sharing to choose a folder or single file. Make sure the destination folder is selected so uploads go where you expect. If a large file, consider a stable Wi-Fi connection. This prevents partial uploads and saves time, which matters when you need immediate access or plan to share the link right away. You upload by dragging the file or using New, then File Upload or Folder Upload. This interface is fast and predictable. Once uploaded, wait until the progress finishes and confirm the file name and a quick open to verify integrity. After that, right-click the item and choose Get Link. This is where you control access. Make sure to set permission, Restricted for private, Viewer for read-only, Editor to allow changes, because permissions determine who can view or edit your content. You copy the link and paste it into the channel you prefer, and remember to explain access expectations. Once done, you can refine settings like expiration dates, disable downloads, or add specific people. These choices protect content and match your intent. If recipients can't open it, check permissions first. Ensure you didn't leave it restricted, confirm they're signed an account, and verify storage quota. If problems persist, create a fresh link or resend after adjusting sharing options, which usually fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.